Chapter 6, Application of derivatives. Application of derivatives. Exercise 6.1 we will start. In this, we will study about rate of change of quantity. So, what is the concept of this exercise? If a quantity y varies with another quantity, if a quantity y varies with another quantity x such that y is equal to fx, then dy by dx represents rate of change of y with respect to x. Rate of change of y with respect to x. Suppose at x is equal to x0, so rate of change of x is what? Dy by dx, whatever the value x0. Second point, अगर दो वेरिएबल हो तो if two variable x and y varying with another quantity varying with another variable t, that is x is equal to ft and y is equal to gt, then by chain rule dy by dx is equal to dy by dt into dt by dx. Thus you can say that rate of change of y with respect to x can be calculated by using rate of change of y and that of x, rate of change of y and that of x both with respect to t. दोनों का डिफरेंशिएशन किसके रेस्पेक्ट निकालेंगे? t के. अगर एक का ही है dy by dx है तो dy by dx रिप्रेजेंट द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ y with respect to x and y वेरिएबल जैसे इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन होता है वैसे ही चेन रूल से dy by dx कैलकुलेट करेंगे. तो दिस वी कैन एक्सप्लेन विद द क्वेश्चन. Question first. Find the rate of change of area of a circle. Find the rate of change area of a circle with respect to r. First case r is given to you 3 centimeter. Now see here, what is the area of circle? Pi r square. You have to differentiate with respect to r, dA by dr. Pi is constant. What is the differentiation of r square? 2 pi r. Now you have to put r is equal to 3 centimeter. So dA by dr, r is equal to 3 centimeter is equal to 2 into pi into 3, 6 pi centimeter square, and radius unit is also centimeter. So this is the answer. Now understand question 2. Question 2. see here, the volume of a cube is increasing. The volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. du by dt is given to you 8 centimeter cube per second. Volume of cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. What is volume of cube? X cube. अगर साइड x है तो वॉल्यूम का. Now, how fast is the surface area? How fast? हाँ हेलो बोल जानवी. Question first. Find the rate of change of area. Rate of change of area A with respect to radius when r is equal to given to you 3 centimeter. When r is 3 centimeter. Now see here, what is the area of circle? Pi r square. Now area of circle is pi r square. So dA by dr is equal to 2 pi r. So dA by dr at r is equal to 3 centimeter is equal to 2 into pi into 3, यानी कि 6 pi. Unit of area is square, centimeter square, radius is centimeter. This is the answer. Now I will start question number 2. Question number 2. The volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of, this is given to you, dy by dt is equal to 8 centimeter cube per second. How fast the surface area is increasing when the length of the edge x is given to you 12 centimeter. So ds by dt you have to, how fast the area, surface area increasing, this you have to find out. ds by dt you have to find out. See here, what is the volume of cube? dx. So v is equal to x cube. So we differentiate it with respect to t. 3x cube, 3x square into, what is the differentiation of x? dx by dt. Here, what is the value of dy by dt? 8. 3x square into dx by dt. So 8 upon 3 x square is equal to dx by dt. This is the value of dx by dt. Now we have to calculate rate of change of surface area with respect to t. So differentiate surface area with respect to t. You will get 6 constant multiply में रहेगा, x square का हो जाएगा 2, 6 into 2x, x का होएगा dx by dt. So it is 12x. What is dx by dt? 8 upon, putting the value of dx by dt, 8 upon 3 x square, 8 upon 3 x square. Cut this x and 3 4s are 12. So 8 4s are 32 upon x centimeter per second. Now ds by dt किस पे कैलकुलेट करना है? At x is equal to 12. So put the value of 32 upon 12 centimeter per second. Cut with 4. 4 8s are 4 3s are. So it is 8 upon 3 centimeter per second. Rate of change of surface area with respect to time is 8 upon 3 centimeter per second. Question third. See here, the radius of a circle is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Radius of the circle dr by dt is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second is given to you. How fast? Find the rate at which the area of the circle is increasing when the radius is area of circle is increasing. dA by dt निकालना है when radius is given to you 10 centimeter. So what is the area of circle? Pi r square. What is the area of circle? Pi r square. So dA by dt is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r into dr by dt क्योंकि with respect to t कर रहे हैं. Now putting the value of r and dr by dt, you will get rate of change of area at r is equal to 10 centimeter. 2 into pi into 10 into 3, 20 into 3, 60 pi centimeter square per second. Now another question I will take. Then now I will take question number 5. Now I will take question number 5. A stone is dropped. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake and waves in moving in the speed of circle. Stone are dropped in a quiet lake and waves moves in circle at the speed of, this is given to you, dr by dt is equal to 5 centimeter per second. At instant the radius of a circular wave is, किसी point पे at instant radius is 8 centimeter. How fast the enclosed area increasing? How fast the enclosed area increasing? So area of a circle is pi r square. You have to find dA by dt is equal to 2 pi r dr by dt. 2 into pi into at dA by dt at r is equal to 8 centimeter. What is r? 8. What is dr by dt? 5 centimeter square per second. 2 5 is 10 and 10 into 8 is 80 pi centimeter square per second. Question 6. The radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of, radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. किसका सर्कल का radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of what is the rate of increase of its circumference? dc by dt you have to calculate. Circumference को denote कर दिया c से. You know what is c? 2 pi r. So dc by differentiate with respect to t. Variable क्या r? r का क्या हो जाएगा 2 1 हो जाएगा 2 pi into dr by dt. So dr by 2 pi into what is dr by dt? Put from here 0.7 centimeter per second. Unit of circumference is centimeter and time is second. So it is 1.4 pi centimeter per second. Question number 7. See here, the length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute and the width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. So length of rectangle is x centimeter. So it is given to you, it is decreasing, dx by dt is given to you minus 5 centimeter per minute. Now breadth of rectangle is y centimeter, given to you dy by dt is 4 centimeter per minute, 4 centimeter per minute. When x is equal to 8 centimeter, y is equal to 6 centimeter, x is equal to 8 centimeter, y is equal to 6 centimeter. Find the rate of change. Find करना है rate of change. Number 1 parameter. Number 2 area of rectangle. In both cases you have to find the rate of change. So first I take parameter. What is the parameter of rectangle? 2 length plus breadth. So dp by dt is equal to 2x dx by dt with respect to t, y ka dy by dt with respect to t. So putting the values, dp by dt 2 dx upon dt is minus 5 plus dy by dt is plus 4. Here you see that minus 1 into 2, minus 2 centimeter per minute. So dp by dt, minus sign indicates that it is decreasing. Now area. What is area of rectangle? xy. This is first function and this is second function. So dA by dt, apply product rule, first function into differentiate of second plus second into differentiate of first. Now putting the values, what is dy by dt? 4x. What is dx by dt? Minus 5x minus 5 dy by dt. Dy by dt is this, dx by dt is minus 5 y into minus 5. So it is 4x minus 5y. Now dA by dt is this, dA by dt at point x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 6. So it becomes 4 into 8 minus 5 into 6. 32 minus 30 is equal to 2 centimeter per minute. So rate of change of area is 2 centimeter per minute and rate of change of perimeter is minus 2 centimeter. It is decreasing 2 centimeter per minute. Question 10. A ladder 5 meter long is leaning against a wall. The bottom of the ladder is pulled away from the ground at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. This is a wall and this is the distance from the ground from the ladder. This is 5 meter. Now dx by dt, this distance is x, is given to you 2 centimeter per second. How fast is the height? Is decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meter. This foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the ground. If x is equal to 4 meter, then what is the decrease in the height? You have to calculate dh by dt. Now see here, by Pythagoras theorem, you know that x square plus x square, this I will take x, is equal to 5 का square. Now differentiate it. 2h dh by dt, 2h dx by dt is equal to 0, constant 0. This 2 will cancel out. Now you see that h dh by dt is equal to minus x dx by dt. So dh by dt is equal to minus x upon h dx by dt. Now we can put the value of dx by dt from the given relation. This is given to you. So here dx by dt is 2 cm per second and your unit is in the meter. So you convert dx by dt is equal to meter. Divide by 100, it is 0.02 meter per second. So put it here, dh by dt is equal to minus x upon h into 0.02 meter per second. Now, if x is equal to 4, then you calculate h. From equation 1, put the value of x here. So h square is plus 4 chi square is equal to 25. H square is equal to 25 minus 16 is equal to 9. H is equal to plus minus 3. H you can take 3. Height is not negative, so you can take h is equal to 3. Now put in equation 2. Put in 2, this is 2, so dh by dt is equal to, what is x, minus 4 upon 3 into 0.02 meter per second. So it is minus 0.08 upon 3 meter per second. Convert into centimeter. Minus 0.08 into 100 upon 3 centimeter per second. This you remove, 100 will come down, this will cancel out, so the final answer is minus 8 upon 3 centimeter per second. So this minus sign shows that the height is decreasing. Question 11. A particle moves along the curve. Curve is given to you. This is curve. Curve is given to you. 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. You have to find point on the curve. Find the point on the curve if y coordinate is 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. Dy by dt is equal to 8 times dx by dt. This is given to you. Now 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Differentiate with respect to t. 6 dy by dt is equal to 3x square dx by dt plus इसका हो जाएगा 0. This will cut. So dy by dt, 2 dy by dt is equal to x square dx by dt. X square dx by dt. Putting the value of dy by dt from the given relation, say 1. From equation 1, we get, put the value of dy by dt, 8 into dx by dt is equal to x square dx by dt. This is cancelled out. 16 is equal to x square, x is equal to plus minus 4. I take x is equal to 4 and put in the curve. Put in curve, you will get y. Here you can put x. 6y is equal to 4 ka cube plus 2. 6y is equal to 64 plus 2. 6y is equal to 66. Y is equal to, this implies y is equal to 11. It means one point is 4, 11. If I take x is equal to minus 4, put in the curve again. 6y is equal to minus 4 ka cube plus 2. 6y is equal to minus 64 plus 2. 6y is equal to minus 62 cut with 2, 3 minus 31, y is equal to minus 31 upon 3. Another point is minus 4 comma minus 31 upon 3. Question number 13. A balloon which always remains spherical has a variable diameter d is equal to 3 pi 2x plus 1. So radius is equal to 3 by 4 divide by 2 कर देंगे तो 3 by 4 2x plus 1. Find the rate of change of volume with respect to x. Now see here, what is the volume of balloon? 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Now what is r? Putting the value of r. Put value of r. So v is equal to 4 upon 3 pi 3 upon 4 2x plus 1 का cube. So v is equal to 4 upon 3 pi 3 का क्यूब करेंगे 27, 4 का करेंगे 64, 2x plus 1 whole cube. Leave as it is. 4 को इससे काट दीजिए 16, this is 9. So v is equal to 9 upon 16 pi 2x plus 1 whole cube. Now rate of change of volume with respect to x. Now you calculate dv by dx. You will get 19 upon 16 pi is constant into 3 2x plus 1 whole square. So 9 3s are 27 और 2x का फिर करेंगे function of function into 2. So this will cut. So dv by dx is equal to 9 3s are 27 pi upon 8 2x plus 1 whole square. Question number 14. Sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. Sand is pouring from a pipe जिसका rate of volume दिया हुआ है 12 centimeter cube per second. The falling sand form a cone on the ground in such a way height of the cone का है. तो volume of cone होता है 1 upon 3 pi r square h and the height of the cone is always 1/6 the radius. 1/6 the radius of the base. How fast is the height of the sand of cone increasing? dh by dt you have to calculate question mark when height is given to you 4 centimeter. When height is given to you 4 centimeter. See here, what is the volume of cone? Volume of cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. You have to find dh by dt. So differentiate this with respect to t. dv by dt is equal to 1 upon 3 pi constant. Differentiation of here it is two variable. You do one thing. First you convert dy dt. First you convert h into r into h because we have to find dh by dt. From here you will get 6h is equal to r. इधर देखिए दो वेरिएबल है, उसको एक वेरिएबल में करते हैं, r को अपन h में लेते हैं. v is equal to 1 upon 3 pi. Instead of r you can write 6h whole square h. This gives you v is equal to 1 upon 3 pi 6 6 are 36 h square into h. So v is equal to, this will cut 12 pi h cube. Now differentiate with respect to t. dv by dt is equal to 12 into 3 into pi h square 3h square into dh by dt. So what is the value of dv by dt? Put here, dv by dt is 12. 12 is equal to 12 into 3 into pi into h square dh by dt. Now 12 cancel out, so you have to calculate dh by dt. So dh by dt is equal to 1 upon 3 pi h square. What is h? At h is equal to 4 centimeter. So 1 upon 3 into pi into 4 into 4. 3 4s are 12, 48. 1 upon 48 pi centimeter per second.